Hey guys, Jason here from Pigments, and today I want to talk about something that no one really talks about, and it is pigments and a thing called hard packing or settling or separating, whatever you want to call it. But it's basically, especially in like pearl pigments or pigments that have a lot of heavier substance in there, they'll settle to the bottom. So you can see in this pigment here, it's the pearl, and the pearl has settled to the bottom. And what that does is this is going to be much more clear or translucent versus opaque. So we need to get those back into this top part. And let's do an experiment here. So I want to show you guys. I'm going to do one drop. Just turn this over. One drop on the paper. So we're going to mix this up. And you're going to think, well, it's got to be mixed up, right? Wrong, because I actually have a metal BB in here or a wing nut in here, and you can't hear it clinking around, which means it's stuck to the bottom. And what is it stuck in? Stuck in all those hard little pieces, hard packed. They just settle with gravity over time and they pack to the bottom. And you're not going to get them off by shaking, even with a metal piece in there. But it does help because if you shake them every week or so, depending on how much you use them, that will keep everything agitated and turn around. But if you don't use them, like some of ours will sit for months at a time, they'll settle to the bottom. And so what you have to do is take the top off, take a piece of wire, and I bend a little shape kind of like that. I don't know if you can see that shape in there. It's a little like horseshoe, little U shape on the bottom. And the reason I do a U is so I don't puncture the bottle. But basically, we stick that down in there and turn it around and kind of rake the bottom. And you're gonna break free the little piece of metal you've put in there, your wing nut or whatever, and you're kind of stirring up those solids on the bottom. All right. And maybe you can actually, I can't get a glob. Sometimes you can actually get a glob to come out of solid stuff from the bottom. But we're gonna take that, and now we're gonna shake it, and you can hear that. That is the little wing nut that's in there actually moving around now. And now this should be thoroughly mixed up. Let's see if we can see a difference. It is hard to tell, but this is a lot more thinner and watery. This is really thick. See that when I touch that one? The same size drop, and that is the difference. So if you were to mix this in your plastisol, it would be very see-through. But if you were to mix this, now it's mixed up in your plastisol, you'd get the actual desired result. You may have to use 50 drops of this to equal 5 or 10 drops of that. So that is it, guys. I just wanted to show you what to do. And as you use them, just remember to shake them up if you don't hear the clicking, or maybe if you do, still give it a quick stir, and then wipe this off on a piece of paper towel, and you are good to go. You'll get really great looking baits. Thanks, guys, for watching. Until next time, fish on.